Body of a 6-year-old girl has been recovered from an under-construction building in Dhaka's West Ulon area, sparking protests by local residents. The victim, named Jannat, went missing from her home around 8:30 p.m. on Tuesday. After searching, she was found in a water container nearby a construction site. After recovering, the child was taken to Dhaka Medical College Hospital, where doctors declared her dead. Following the incidents, angry locals staged protest in front of Hatijil police station, demanding justice and punishment for those responsible. The child's father filed a case against identified persons. Police have detained the building's caretaker as a suspect and reviewing the CCTV footage.